Welcome back. Continues to be a down day for the Nifty. So let's get in some F&O trends going. Mangalam Malu is joining us with all the details. Mangalam?
It's a down day, but the market seems to have moved around this 26,050 mark for the frontline index ahead of expiry, and that's the range that now the street is
that we have, and this is from the telecom minister himself. But let's move on and keep it going with the markets. Then we have Ajit Mishra, Senior Vice President, Research, Religare Broking, joining us now to talk on the technicals. Ajit, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. Mangalam was mentioning some support and resistance level as well today. But if we break that support, then what should we watch out for? Nifty, Bank Nifty, what are you keeping an eye out on?
Good afternoon, Vinay. So, yes, in fact, it's been almost 3 days now that after making a new record highs, the markets were witnessing consolidation in a very tight range. Today, we are seeing a bit of profit taking in the banking index, which was leading from the front. So it's a normal profit taking so far, means if you see from August onwards, we are seeing that market witnesses a strong directional move followed by a retracement phase. So this is what we are currently experiencing. The good part is that we are still holding above the 20 EMA mark, which is around this 25,950 level. So as long as we are maintaining above this zone, one should continue with the buy and this approach. On the higher side, 26,300 is something that positionally is a key hurdle now. So the moment we surpass this 26,500, 700 is something that the market is going to attempt.
Okay, all right. Well, Ajit, just hold that line because we do have the telecom minister talking. So let's just cut across.
वो डोरमेंट रहेगा, डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कर लो. पर क्या हो, एक मिनट.
Users did not appreciate so much in the initial update that had come by. But let's go back to the markets after this important clarification that has come by. Ajit, you spoke about important levels on the Nifty and overall markets. What about individual stocks that you have on your radar?
Yeah, so considering that the market tone is still up, we are not seeing this correction as a reversal. So continue with the long side approach. IDFC First Bank, after this initial consolidation, looks set for the next leg of the up move. 86 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So with stop at 79, one can accumulate IDFC First Bank at current levels. Then from the pharma space also, we are seeing that gradually all these stocks, the rotational basis are catching up. It's turn for Glenmark to resume the rally. So 2080 is what we are eyeing as a target zone for Glenmark during this recovery phase with 1920 as the stop loss.
Okay. Well, some news coming in on Spark. So I think Spark should also come up for you because the Spark stock is up around 7-odd%. The U.S. District Court has granted a summary judgment which is in favor of Spark for a particular drug, Sezibi PRV. So that's the reason why you're seeing the stock up around 14-odd% reacting to this bit of news. And the summary judgment, I'll go through that and give you a sense in terms of how important it is. But it's in favor of Spark in the matter of issuance of a priority review voucher, PRV, associated with the approval of this particular drug. So that's the reason why you're seeing the stock up around 13.5-odd%. Ajit, in fact, just wanted your thoughts on stocks such as Spark, Ease My Trip also, which is up around 17-odd%. So these are a couple of stocks which seem to be shining in today's trading session. Also add HCC to the mix.
So, Ekta, as we all know that the kind of underperformance most of these small cap names are still facing means while the markets with the record highs, we still have a long way to go when it comes to the small cap space. Some of these names like Spark, Ease My Trip, mostly stocks were trading closer to their 52 weeks low. Today, yes, being an exceptional day that the volumes, price action both indicates near-term relief. But since the trend is overall still down, I feel that these kind of rebounds should be utilized as an opportunity to exit your longs if you are stuck.
Okay. Surely we'll be keeping an eye out on that. Thanks, Ajit, for joining us this afternoon and giving us, in terms of individual stock names, views as well as the markets. But on that note, we're going to slip into a very short break. On the other side, Manisha Gupta will be joined by Ajay Goel, Chairman at Wheat Products Promotion Society. Stay tuned in for that conversation.